How to fix if apps not working on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all open Play Store. Now in Play Store, click on your profile icon on the top right corner and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now tap on Updates Available option, and from here update all the apps that are not working on your phone, and after updating the apps will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue after updating, then open Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps, and then again tap on this Apps option. Now from this list open the app which is not working correctly. So if the Instagram app is not working, then tap on Instagram, go to its storage and clear the app data and cache memory. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data tap on clear data and then tap on delete to confirm. And after doing this, the app's not working issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution to fix this issue is open Settings again. Now scroll down to the end and click on System and Updates, and then tap on Software Update, and from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated, then update the phone software, and after updating the software of your phone, the apps will start working perfectly. So that's how you can fix the apps not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.